Outdoor and Rough Terrain Operations. Hello folks, welcome to this comprehensive lecture on operating forklifts in outdoor and rough terrain environments. This lesson is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills necessary for safe and efficient forklift operations in challenging conditions. Introduction. Forklifts are crucial in many industries for transporting materials efficiently. However, operating them outdoors or on uneven terrain introduces unique challenges that require specialized techniques and heightened safety awareness. This lecture will cover essential topics to help you navigate these environments safely. Operating forklifts in outdoor and rough terrain environments. Operating forklifts in outdoor settings may involve dealing with varying weather conditions, uneven surfaces, and unpredictable obstacles. Here are some key considerations. Surface types, gravel, dirt, and grass can affect forklift stability and traction. Weather conditions, rain, snow, and wind can impair visibility and create slippery surfaces. Obstacles, natural elements like rocks and slopes, as well as artificial barriers, can pose navigation challenges. Forklift selection for outdoor use. Choosing the right type of forklift is critical for outdoor operations. Consider the following rough terrain forklifts. These are designed with larger, rugged tires and enhanced suspension for better handling on uneven surfaces. All-wheel drive provides additional traction and control. Weatherproofing ensure the forklift is suitable for exposure to elements with proper sealing and rust prevention features. Safe navigation and maneuvering techniques, pre-operation inspection. Before operating a forklift outdoors, conduct a thorough pre-operation inspection. Key points include: check tire condition and inflation. Inspect hydraulic systems for leaks. Test brakes and steering controls. Ensure all lights and signals are functioning. Verify attachment security and backrest extension presence. Visibility and hazard identification. Maintaining clear visibility is crucial. Keep windows and mirrors clean. Position yourself for maximum sight lines, utilizing seat adjustments. Regularly scan for potential hazards, including low-hanging branches or uneven ground. Navigation techniques. Maneuvering in outdoor environments requires adaptability. Speed control. Adjust speed based on surface stability and visibility conditions. Proceed slowly on uneven or unfamiliar terrain. Path planning. Plan your route to avoid obstacles, steep inclines, and dangerous terrain. Use of spotters. When visibility is limited, work with a spotter to guide you around obstacles safely. Load handling and placement procedures in outdoor environments.
Load assessment. Understanding the load characteristics is essential for safe handling. Assess weight, size, and center of gravity. Ensure the load is within the forklift's capacity limits. Check for secure packaging and binding. Safe lifting techniques. Ensure stability and safety during lifting. Approach the load carefully and align the forklift squarely. Adjust forks to the correct height to avoid dragging or lifting at an angle. Lift smoothly to prevent sudden shifts in the load's center of gravity. Load transportation and placement. Once the load is lifted, cautious movement is required. Maintain a low load position to enhance stability. Avoid sharp turns or sudden stops to prevent tipping. When placing the load, ensure the surface is stable and flat. Use tilt functions if available to place loads securely. Safety protocols and emergency procedures. Being prepared for emergencies is critical. Familiarize yourself with site-specific safety protocols. Ensure the availability of communication tools for emergencies. In case of overturning, adhere to our OPS rollover protective structures guidelines and stay within the cabin if possible. In conclusion, operating forklifts in outdoor and rough terrain environments demands proactive safety measures and skilled maneuvering techniques. Understanding the dynamics of these settings and employing the strategies covered in this lecture will enhance safety and efficiency. Always prioritize safety by conducting proper inspections, maintaining awareness, and adhering to best practices. Thank you for participating in this lesson on outdoor forklift operations. Stay safe and operationally sound. Here's a summary of forklift outdoor and rough terrain operations. Pre-operation checks. 1. Weather conditions. Check the weather forecast and ensure it's safe to operate the forklift outdoors. 2. Terrain assessment. Assess the terrain to ensure it's suitable for forklift operation. 3. Forklift inspection. Inspect the forklift to ensure it's in good working condition and suitable for outdoor and rough terrain operations. Safe operation practices. 1. Speed control. Operate the forklift at a safe speed, taking into account the terrain and weather conditions. 2. Load handling. Handle loads carefully, ensuring they are secure and stable. 3. Steep slopes. Avoid operating the forklift on steep slopes and use caution when operating on inclines. 4. Rough terrain. Use caution when operating the forklift on rough terrain, such as uneven or rocky surfaces.
Safety considerations. 1. Tip-over hazards. Be aware of tip-over hazards, especially when operating on uneven or sloping terrain. 2. Weather-related hazards. Be aware of weather-related hazards, such as rain, snow, or high winds. 3. Visibility. Ensure good visibility, using lights or other visual aids if necessary. Operator training. 1. Outdoor and rough terrain training. Provide operators with specialized training on outdoor and rough terrain operations. 2. Terrain-specific training. Provide operators with training on specific terrain types, such as sand, mud, or snow. Maintenance and inspection. 1. Regular maintenance. Regularly maintain the forklift to ensure it's in good working condition. 2. Pre-operation inspections. Conduct pre-operation inspections to ensure the forklift is safe to operate. Thank you for your engagement in this lesson on outdoor and rough terrain operations. And remember that safety is always the priority when dealing with outdoor and rough terrain operations. Stay informed, stay protected. See you again in the next lecture, folks. Happy learning.